Alright, so in this video, I want to talk more or tell us more about monogramming. I know most people, most designers might have known what's called monogramming, why some are yet to understand the difference between monogram and embroidering, right? So here, I am not going to talk much of embroidering until I get to the place or the point where they make embroidering, and I'll also make the video and join and show you guys the machines. So this video is going to show you the machines that does what they call monogramming, and also show you the work, the type of job it does, right? So they have different models, different brands, different everything, but then they still do the same job. So I am not here to do machine review, right? But if you want to make more findings, kindly make use of your Google or Chat GPT to learn more about monogramming brands and machines. So here we have this machine we are seeing. This is called a one-head long table monogramming machine. So this machine does designs with a computer screen, and this is the design it's making abada. So the green area shows where it has already worked on, while the ash region shows where it is still going to work on. So these stuffs are being programmed in your laptop, in your system, and design it, and then put in a flash, and then insert it from here. It has a flash USB port here, where the designs are being transferred into the screen, and then the screen will now communicate what it's doing to the head of the machine, which you are seeing right here, and then the needles will now interpret the design with threads on the fabric. So this is the abada it is working on. This right here is the one they have finished working on, and this is how it looks like. If you look at it, it is more automated than manual. In the regular Tinko or U20 embroidering is manually controlled, while this is automatically controlled by the machine itself. So look at how detailed this stuff is, and this is how monogram should be. It's light, not too thick, not too heavy, but still gives you a premium quality and a premium effect that you might crave for. So this is the screen where it was programmed from, and it has finished the designing, and this can go as high as 30,000 naira, depending on your location and as well on your contacts you are using to make it. So the edges here, you will still take it to those that do embroidering. They will put what they call sharaba at the neck circumference region, and also at the outer edge for the finishing. This machine does not do the sharaba work, unlike the U20 machine as well. So why this is also another type of monogram machine, it also does the designs, flaps, everything, anything that has to do with thread work, it can also do it effectively. So this one is writing a name that was given on the screen this way, and then this is how the owner wants it to be. So this is more professional, neater, better, and smarter. You see how neat the thread is well articulated. This here also is another type as well. You know, they have different types, like I said. So this is also another type of monogram machine. It's also doing a design on the screen, trying to interpret it to the body of the fabric with the thread and then color you have inserted, right? So this is a flap, this is a pocket rather, this is a pocket. So this is how it does. So this is the abada samples that have been made. You see that this is already made. You can buy and fix on your outfit, and this is probably done by one and only Jonex Luxury Monogram Designs here in Owerri. So if you love what you're doing, you can contact them on the number showing on this screen. And this is the location in Owerri here, number 9 Odobi Crescent, Ikenebu, Owerri, Imo State. Their number is on the screen here. You can contact them and send them messages on WhatsApp, call them and ask for an already made embroidering, show them the design you want, and they will give you a quality and a perfect job. So this is for abada, and it's being sold for 28,000 naira. This is also another one they have. This for Abada. It was folded from the back, right? So it's also a very unique design. So this is being sold for 30,000 naira. So the prices are slightly negotiable. You can still negotiate with them and let them know you watch the video from Mr. Redefined and they will give you a discount. So this is also another one, a pocket flap and design. And make sure that when you're making a purchase, you make sure you get or you use a color that complements the outfit you are making, right? So this can go on a gold, on a black outfit, on an ash outfit as well. So these are a whole lot that have already worked on, right? Look at the pockets, and this is the flap. So this is also a very unique and very lovely color combination we have here. So this is what monogram looks like. So for some of us who might not have been able to know or see a monogram design or know the difference between embroidering machine will not be able to do this in this tiny manner and in this minute or light weight, right? So this is more of it. So these are more of it, right? So this is being sold for 8,000 naira. The finishing is extraordinary. The finishing of these jobs is extraordinary. This is luxury. This is luxury, right? So when you are screaming luxury, you know what you are screaming. So if you are screaming luxury, you know what you are screaming. Luxury is money. It's not free. So this is it. So these are the different designs they have. Look at this beauty they have right here. This is being sold for 30,000 naira. So it's called fill up work. Fill up works are expensive, unlike normal designs. They fill this work with white thread before they created this amazing design right here. So these are the jobs. This is 33,000 naira, only the Abada embroidering alone. So this is also a very lovely and nice embroidering design they have here. This is also a perfectly embroidered white Abada, right? Look at it. This is also very unique and very stylish. All right. So now you have seen what monogram designs look like. So I believe in your next outfit you are going to make, you will try getting the monogram job done either in your locality or with your next fashion clinic in Owerri. They do web you to any part of the country, any part of the world. Jonex is trusted and trusted. So I'll also make a time to make a review or show you what embroidering with the U20 looks like. This video is solely for upcoming fashion designers whom are yet to get well acquainted with all of these details I'm laying out in this video. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye bye for now.